Alright, first of all, let me thank this new viewer in sharing her story about being involved with the fake AliExpress online scams. Having the courage to share something so unfortunate that happened to you, it takes a lot of courage. Thank you very much. Because I'm very sure through my videos, passing on the message from you, it can help more people to prevent more victims falling for these fake AliExpress online scams. Back to you. Moving forward, all is not lost if you choose to get up and move forward. It's just a decision away to get unstuck. So long as you never give up, to learn, to increase your awareness in regards to using the internet to create online income. Of course, the short answer for you as a digital marketer and coach since 2020, that means I strongly encourage you to learn, equip yourself with digital marketing skill sets. And I'm very sure when you invested quality time and at times even pay for professional coaching, when you master these skill sets, you are literally in the driver's seat. You can market and sell anything of your choice. And to be alongside with you on this learning journey, I've actually set up 3 educational channels to help you out. Number 1 will be my weekly live stream on TikTok. Number 2, my own private Telegram community group. Number 3, my email newsletter system. The commonality of all these 3 channels are all educational purposes to help anyone that are willing to stay in these channels to learn what are the professional business skill sets to have, which is, of course, digital marketing. And then on all these channels, I regularly provide you with value-adding contents, and I am very sure they will be very useful for you in the long run. So for a start, when you watch until here and you are still here, first, before we forget, provide me with your preferred active email so that I can include this into my automated email newsletter system, and you will start receiving all this educational content in the form of emails in your inbox. Next, I show up for you, and please show up for yourself in my TikTok live stream, which will be happening this Thursday. So look out for my official announcement in the form of videos. To rise up from this unfortunate event, yes, I know it is painful. So long as you choose to get up, learn, and move forward, right, you will be fine. I am very sure of that. I have gone through such a learning journey as well. So if I can do it, I'm very sure you can do it too. It's just that you need to hang around and spend more time with like-minded people like us, right? So that you always are inspired to rise up. I look forward to seeing you in my live stream. Remember, I show up for you. Please show up for yourself.